Welcome to the Coefficient Guide on measuring and optimizing win rates. Whether you're a seasoned RevOps professional or just diving into the world of sales analytics, this video is for you. Win rates are important because they give you a clear indication of how well your sales process is working in different industries, countries, deal sizes, or across different sales reps. This helps you know where you can double down to earn more revenue and where you may need to think about changing your strategy if you want to win more deals. Our team of experts at Coefficient has built a free Google Sheets template that makes it easier to monitor and track your win rates over time. Let's get into it. We built this dashboard to work with both Salesforce and HubSpot CRM data. You can save a copy for free from our website and instantly connect it to either CRM data source in less than 30 seconds to start visualizing your own data in Google Sheets. Let's take a look through some of the top metrics we're covering on this dashboard. At the very top, we have some high-level summary metrics as well as spark lines showing how your win rate and overall sales are trending over time. Most businesses calculate win rate by looking at the number of closed won deals as a percentage of total closed deals during that same time period. However, some other businesses will look at it as based on the percentage of revenue that's closed won versus closed lost in that same period. In this case, we're doing it the first way. So this 65.7% win rate indicates that we've won 211 out of a total of 321 deals during that period. As we scroll down on this dashboard, we get some nice data visualizations to make this easier to look through. At top, we have our summary of monthly total won and lost deals, both in terms of dollar amounts or annual recurring revenue, as well as in terms of counts of won and lost opportunities. As we scroll further down, we get a breakdown showing us win rates by team, so we can see which team is performing the best and maybe make it a little bit competitive between teams, as well as by individual sales rep over here. Going further down, we see similar breakdowns by industry and lead source, which might tell us which marketing channels end up performing the best in terms of win rate, and also which industries tends to be most successful in. Additionally, here we have win rates by country, by account source, by opportunity size, and by opportunity age. So we can see if there's a difference between deals that tend to take a longer time to close versus deals that close much quicker. Finally, at the bottom here, we get a helpful list of our most recently closed lost opportunities. These are all hyperlinked directly back into either Salesforce or HubSpot in case we need to dig deeper and see what happened. And we'll be able to see more information such as the closed lost reason if you're tracking that in your CRM. Back at the top of the dashboard, we have these helpful filters on the left-hand side, which makes this very dynamic and easier to dig into in different splits. For example, depending on the velocity of our business, we might want to look at our win rate by day, by week, by month, or quarter. And this dashboard enables any of those views. Similarly, you could save separate spreadsheet copies of this file for each team and filter this on each team if you want a manager to have more visibility into how their own team and how their own sales reps are performing. As I mentioned, this dashboard is most powerful because it's live data connected to your CRM. We can refresh it anytime we want by clicking this big refresh button up top. But better yet, we could open Coefficient and set up an automatic refresh schedule. In the Coefficient menu, you can see we already have this Salesforce Opportunities import that was last refreshed at 12:41 p.m. today. Let's go ahead and set this up to automatically refresh every morning. I could set it up to refresh as frequently as hourly if I want, but in this case, I'm going to set it to refresh once a day at 5 a.m. So all the data is live by the time everyone's online. We'll click Apply Schedule, and we're done. Finally, to make this reporting even more timely and actionable, let's set up an automatic alert so we find out anytime a new opportunity is closed lost. We can do that in the automation section. We'll click Create New, and we'll set an alert to trigger anytime the data changes. For our data range, we'll scroll back down to this list of recently closed lost opportunities. We'll select the entire table as our range. We'll click Done. Next, we'll say we want this to trigger as soon as the event happens. And now we can get the email alerts sent to us, but also Slack alerts that can be sent to us as a direct message or to a public channel such as a sales channel or for a specific sales team. We'll click Next. We'll name the alert. And there we go. Now we'll be alerted as soon as the next close loss deal hits the books. And there you go. I hope this template will help you and your business stay more on top of where you're winning and losing the most deals. But this is just one of many free templates that Coefficient offers that connect to your live sales data. Take a look on our website here, where we have dozens of Salesforce and HubSpot templates that'll instantly import opportunities, account, contact information, and show you helpful visualizations that are built out of the box. All you have to do is save a free copy to your Google Drive and instantly connect your live CRM data.